Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your sequence uses the intended color space. This prevents surprises later. Once done, switch to the color workspace so Lumetri panels are visible. This is where grading happens. Drag the Lumetri color effect onto the clip, or better, onto an adjustment layer above clips for consistent grades. You do this because adjustment layers let you tweak multiple clips at once. Now you're ready to analyze the image and make targeted corrections rather than guessing in the timeline. You begin primary correction to establish a neutral baseline. Adjust white balance first so skin tones read naturally. Then refine exposure and contrast using basic correction sliders while watching the waveform. This ensures legal luminance and preserves highlights. Once balanced, move to tone wheels for lift, gamma, and gain adjustments. These shape shadow, midtone, and highlight response. Use curves for more precise contrast and color separation. Make small, deliberate moves. Each tool affects the others, so check scopes after every change. You finalize the look by adding a creative LUT or adjusting the creative controls. Reduce intensity to taste so skin tones remain believable. Once done, isolate problem areas with HSL secondary and masks to tweak single colors or objects without affecting the whole frame. For final output, export using the sequence color space and monitor scopes for clipping. If colors shift on export, make sure clip color interpretation and GPU acceleration aren't altering playback. Switching those settings often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.